son? Did you have a good breakfast? Yeah? You gonna smile for Mom? You had a lot to eat this morning. Yeah? Aiden? You wanna smile for Mama? Yeah, you wanna smile for Mama? Yeah. Yeah? Are you Mama's sweet little baby boy? Aiden, are you Mama's sweet little baby boy? Yeah. Yeah, you a sweet baby boy, huh? Is Mama your favorite? You know she's your favorite. Is Mama your favorite boy? Mama? Yeah. You gonna smile? You wanna smile for Mama? Yeah. It's okay. Oh, it's okay, Papa. It's okay. Let's see that sweet little smile. Yeah. You have the sweetest little smile, son. Yes, you do. Mama loves to see that smile. It's so sweet. You have such a sweet little smile. My love. Hi. Hey, Papa. You stretch it out? Yeah. Stretch it out. Sweet little baby boy. What do you... Well, excuse you. You stretching? Stretch it out. Stretch it out.